Based on the economic figures in the table above, what is the value of gross domestic product in billions of dollars? So in this question, we're given this following table, and we're asked to find the value of the gross domestic product in billions of dollars. So from this table, we can see that we're given the national economic figures, billions of dollars, varying from these numbers. We can see consumption, government purchasing, investment, depreciation, exports, imports, and business taxes. Now, when we're finding the value of gross domestic product, there are multiple methods. The most frequent, or for this question, the best method would be to highlight the expenditures, or the spendings. Now, to calculate this, we know that the gross aggregate demand, or rather the GDP, would be equal to the spending in consumers, by investments, by government spending, and by the net exports. So looking at this, the consumer spending is 3,000 because that's represented by the consumption level. So this would equal 3,000 plus investment spending is right here, gross private domestic investment, 700. And government spending is 1,000, so 1,000. And net exports is simply exports minus imports. So that is 300 minus 500, so it's minus 200 for net exports. And if we add this all together, we get 3,700, 4,700 minus 200, 4,500. So the value of gross domestic product in billions of dollars is 4,500. And the following answer choice that matches this is answer choice A. So A is the correct answer.